To copy a line segment, we must draw a line segment AB. Now we must draw a line segment longer than AB. And we must establish point C on the longer line that corresponds with A on AB. Now we must find the whole number on your compass that allows you to construct an arc through B centered at A.
Go say something.
Now I must draw an arc centered at point C using the same whole number and intersecting the longer line. The point of intersection of this arc and the line will be point D. Line segment CD is congruent with line segment AB. To bisect a line segment, we must draw a line segment AB.
Oh, no, he doesn't.
Center your compass at A and pick a hole that is more than halfway to B. Now draw arcs above and below AB. Using the same hole as for step 1, center your compass at B and draw arcs which intercept the first two arcs, creating points C and D. Draw line segment CD. Line segment AM is corresponding to line segment MB, and line CD is perpendicular to line AB. M is the midpoint of AB.
Ready? This is how you bisect an angle. So first we are going to draw our angle right here and right here. We're gonna do A, B, and C. And then we are going to center our compass at B and draw an arc which intersects with BA and BC. And those new points are going to be called E and F. Right there. These new points are going to be called E, and this new point is going to be called F. Using EF as centers, we're going to draw two arches with equal radii intersecting at point D. So we're going to use E as a center right here, and we're going to draw an arc there, right here, and we're going to use F, and we're going to draw an arc right there. And so now this point is going to be called D. We're going to draw a line BD right here and right here. So it's this line. And now we know that the line BD bisects the angle A, B, and C. This is how you're going to copy an angle. So first we're going to draw the angle that we drew here, A, B, and C. And then we're going to draw this line DE. Our second step is to draw an arc centered at B, which intersects BA and BC at F and G. So we're going to center it on B, and we're going to draw an arc here and here. Now these two new points are going to be called F and G. For our third step, we're going to draw an arc with the same radius as in step 2, but center it at D. So now we have this arc right here. This new point is going to be called right here H. Then we're going to draw an arc the length of GF centered at H. It should intersect the previous arc at now J. So we are going to center it at H, and we are going to draw this arc right here. So now this new point is going to be called right here J. Now what we can do is we can draw an arc centered at G that goes through F, and remember the same hole. So now we are going to draw an arc centered at G that's going to go through F, right here. Right there. Now for step 6, we are going to draw the line DJ. Right here. Now we know that angle JDH are equals to angle A, B, and C. For step number 2, we're going to use A as a center and AO as a radius. So we can draw a circle. Between the 2 points. Then we are going to draw an arc intersecting the circle at C and D. So then we can go right here. And draw C. And then draw. So these 2 points are now going to be point C and point D. Connect B, C, and D to form a triangle. So now we can connect BC, CD, and BD. And that is how you're going to form your triangle.
To inscribe a regular hexagon, draw center O. Remember the radius. Pick a point on the circle, B in this case, and with the same radius, draw an arc that intersects with the circle. Using the new point created where the arc meets the circle as a center with the same radius, make another arc on the circle. Continue making arcs around the circle until you have 6 points. These are the vertices of a regular hexagon.